those of us who have not been blessed with your gift, how do you explain the mental reflex?
The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Nez County in north central Idaho, southeastern Whitman County, northwestern Asotin County, and southeastern Washington until 5 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:31 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Clarkston Heights Island, or 8 miles west of Clarkston, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Lewiston, Clarkston Heights Island, West Clarkston Highland, Asotin, Uniontown, Clarkston Heights, and Jerry. This includes the following highways: USAL, Highway 95 in Idaho between mile markers 309 and 314, and between mile markers 316 and 324. USAL, Highway 12 in Idaho between mile